Hi, my name's Matthew, I'm from VLAZE UK, and we're here today at PIRCH in La Jolla to tell you about the VLAZE Adapt outdoor kitchen range. So this is our 240 outdoor kitchen. It's an 8-foot cabinet with a drop-in grill, sink and faucet. It's made from our porcelain-enameled, which is fused glass to steel. So we bake this in a furnace at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit to give a real rich, beautiful depth of color. It's an incredible surface that's completely UV safe. So this will never fade. This is going to look just like this in 30 years time. We use a really heavy gauge 304 stainless on all of the carcass, so it's got a real nice weight to it, a real quality. You can hear that in the door. And it's a fantastic color. We do a range of different colors, right from this indigo blue, which looks like water with the ripple and movement on it, through the ochre, a splatter effect here that is really fun, kind of 1950s vitreous enamel. And then for 2024, we have a new range of colors. This sage green, which is a beautiful blend of sort of natural colors and pigments, and into something like this taupe clay finish as well. So we have something for everyone. It's a beautiful European look. It's all custom made on the Isle of Wight. We're a 30-year manufacturing business. We've been doing the signs for London Underground for over 30 years, manufacturing the same product, the same material that we use on our outdoor kitchens is used on the London Underground. So this signage has to last outside for 30 years plus. It has to be weather resistant, graffiti proof, and even fire resistant. So all our products are fire resistant, completely heat proof, so you can take that skillet straight off the stove and pop it down on there and no issues at all. Really easy, low maintenance to clean as well, so we think that's fantastic. I mean, I love a product at home that I can, real work with, cook on hard and, get real messy really, but at the end of the day, you just take a cloth and wipe that right off and it's super easy, no staining, really easy to look after. Let me tell you about one of the projects we did recently that was really fun. So PPG Custom Homes up in Atherton in the Bay Area, they had a project where they'd just finished this fantastic custom home for a customer and they really needed to put the outdoor kitchen in right at the last minute. And so they came to us and they said, look, we need 2 or 3 of these units, we can link them together and create a fantastic run for them. So they were so pleased that we got the product up there in 2 weeks, fully built, and project was done and they could sell the house and the customer was happy. So let me show you how the product is also magnetic. So all the panels and doors are magnetic, which means you can take these cool magnetic pots and just pop them on there like that. So you could put some flowers or herbs in there, something like basil perhaps, or basil as you say, would go on here. And then as you're cooking, you can take from there and just put it straight on. So really a lot of fun and just it adds more to it, I suppose. So the VLAZE Adapt is a super versatile product. It comes here, as you can see, on the casters, so you can move this around as your party or your evening dictates. You might want to move it during the meal or after the meal. You can also put legs on it. So we have the option to put legs and a toe kick as well in stainless steel. We like that it's super customizable. So at VLAZE, we can also do bespoke design. So if you have a project in mind that you want to do a custom kitchen for, we can customize the color, we can customize the legs, we can customize the configuration, whatever grill you want, we're fully happy to do that for you. It's also got the right to repair. So with the right to repair on all VLAZE Adapt kitchens, all these panels are replaceable and removable. So you can simply unhook that panel and put a new one on should you damage it, or should you wish to change the color over time. We like the idea that seasons move on, colors become the new thing. So simply take that off and put a new color on next year. Brilliant. Okay, well thanks for letting me tell you about the VLAZE range of outdoor kitchens today. We are exclusively in all PIRCH stores, so please do come down and have a look. You've got to get hands on this product. We love how it feels, how tactile it is. This gloss surface, the weight of the material as well. Come and have a feel for it, come and see the quality of the craftsmanship and the depth of color, and we think you'll love it. So please do visit a PIRCH store and speak to an advisor.